loves, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be starting the decluttering process before we move, and what better place to start than the kitchen. So if you are ready for some cleaning and decluttering motivation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning. I'm just starting out by cleaning the kitchen after dinner. I'm going to get these dishes cleaned and put away. Most of them are in the dishwasher, but I did have to hand wash a few. I really don't mind. I'm also going to go ahead and clean the stove and the countertops. And then I'm going to start by decluttering my spices because I feel like there are things that I don't use or they're expired. And I do feel like most of the time we don't think to check the expiration dates on certain things, but they have a long shelf life, but we cannot keep them forever. So it is time to declutter. So now that the kitchen is just about clean, it's time to pull all of the spices out of the cabinet. I'm going to lay them all out so I can see what I have, check all of the expiration dates. Well, most of them. Some things I haven't had long, so I know they're not expired. But things that are a little older, I know I don't use them often. I am going to go ahead and get rid of them. And my husband's going to come and help me reach some stuff at the top of the shelf because I just not, okay?
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for. Yeah, yeah. I know what you want, you got it gorgeous. You bad, you're talking, it's talking me nicely. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling, I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer, you know where you started, you know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear, tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready. You say you're ready for it, you're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind.
And now I'm just going to quickly wipe down these shelves. I will not be organizing anything, but I will be putting the spices back into the cabinet for now. It makes no sense for me to organize these cabinets, you guys. We're just going to be moving. So I just wanted to make sure everything was clean so that when we do move, I can just pack everything up and not have to worry about cleaning them again.
I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we both got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely. With you, it's different. You've been what I'm missing. Real talk, no fiction. I get lost in how I'm feeling. Yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move your body, baby. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready for it. What are we waiting on? You want it for me. Are you ready? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And now it's time for me to declutter this cabinet, which is full of mostly cleaning supplies and stuff like that. Just some extras. Most of this stuff I don't use. Some of it I really do like. I just have so many other products, but I'm not going to get rid of everything. But I do want to get rid of things that are either empty or we just do not use at all.
And sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it?
All right, y'all. So these cabinets right here, they have a little bit of everything, okay? Some of everything and everything don't belong in here, okay? So we're going to take everything out. Get rid of stuff that don't belong. Put some stuff in other places. Just get this looking better. more organized so that everything that is left in here is actually leaving and going to the new house with us.
Rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it?
If you are new to my channel and you've made it this far into the video, hi and welcome. My name is Sean, and here on my channel I post all types of cleaning motivation every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. If you have made it this far into the video anyway, girl, you know you want to subscribe, or guy, you know, because I know y'all watch too. I hope that you guys get some motivation from this video to take with you and tackle things around your home. Leave me a comment so that we can get to know each other.
Stories, your story about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? No. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think it's easy, yeah, falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy, oh no, but I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. But I'm not done. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. If you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe. No, it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again, oh yeah. 'Cause I wanna work things out, yeah. I just wanna fall into your
now it is time for me to finish up with the cleaning. I'm going to clean and shine this table. I need to sweep and mop the floor. You guys, you will see a little bit later in the video. Our power went out twice while I was trying to steam mop. I don't know if it was just not meant for me to steam mop that night, if I just need to go sit and rest or whatever, but the power kept going out. So once we get to that point, your girl had to stop, okay?
Blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay. 'Cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah. I'm completely satisfied, right? As long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name, 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 name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name, name.
I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I hope you got some motivation to declutter or clean some areas around your home today. Please don't forget to give this video a like if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold they chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you